Zane from Bella Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make a helicopter. And look, it moves. So we're just going to need a bunch of card for this one. I think about half of an A4 piece of paper. And got some sequins here. We're going to do lots of painting. So we're going to need our messy tops or our aprons. And grown-ups, if you get yourself a tea or a coffee, and then we'll start crafting. Let's jump straight into it. So what you're going to need is some card. We've got this piece, which was a square, and we've cut out these corners and then used these corners to make our window and our 2 feet, I guess, feet for the helicopter to stand on. And then we've also got a little tail here and obviously the main body of our helicopter. So first thing you would want to do, if you want to do it, is do some painting. So you can paint around the edges, you can paint the propeller if you want to. It's completely up to you. This time I'm not going to, but if you want to, pause the video now and start painting. Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to add the feet and the tail to our helicopter. So if you get some glue, and the next thing is we're going to just glue on our window. Just be cautious of where this is going to be, because you want to be able to see your window. So that's going to be about here. There we go. And now with the propeller, we're not going to glue it. We're going to put a split pin through the middle here and through onto our helicopter. And then once it's through, you divide these in the middle and flatten them so none of it falls off. And it allows our propellers to move and spin. Right, so that is the main bulk of it done. Now it's onto the fun part. So we can add some glitter, we can add some sequins. I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some gold paint to it, okay? And then I'm going to go in with my sequins and glue. Okay, so that is how you make your helicopter. I think the last thing I'm just going to do is add a nice little person with his headphones. Flying the helicopter. Otherwise, it won't ever take off. Right, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I will see you soon for our next travel project.